Today we are hosting a crime scene investigation event. Part of the criminology course we teach is around psychological criminology, and the students get to learn skills about offender profiling, collecting evidence, analysing evidence. So today we have put on a mock murder, and the students are going to use some of those criminological skills that they've developed over the past few years. They're going to put it to good use to try and solve the murder and find the culprit.
I've really enjoyed in the CSI event today. The fingerprinting, how they fingerprint dead bodies is fascinating, and how they have to deal with the rigor mortis and how sometimes that might not go so well, but it leads to funny stories and dark humour between friends in that workplace.
Most about today I enjoyed probably the teamwork, especially trying to work with people who you didn't work usually, because if you sit in lecture, for instance, the most of the time what you do is just write notes. In TV shows you only also see one person being interviewed as a forensics expert, and she mentioned that it's more of a team effort.
One of the reasons that we do this is for the student learning experience, so that we're taking the academic stuff that they're using in the classroom or they're learning in the classroom, and they're getting to apply that to the real world. Some of the cases that they are working on today are actually real world cases that they are getting to apply these skills to.
This has helped my learning because it's allowed me to conceptualise the theories that we've done, but also the issues around police, like the funding and stuff, how it actually affects the ground level workers.
It will definitely help me because, as one of the presenters mentioned, we're developing skills that will help us throughout the whole future as well. And I think there was a list of a dozen of skills that you don't only need for CSI based jobs, but also for other jobs. They will ask you, especially during interviews, where did you learn your teamwork, where did you learn your communication skills, and I can mention this event specifically.
In previous years when we have run the event, we've had really good positive feedback off some of our students. They've been able to add the event to their CV so that they can show employers their skills that they've learnt. And some of our students have actually gone on to become crime scene investigators themselves off the back of doing this course and the enjoyment that they got out of it.